Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain the material regarding the tax treaty between Indonesia and Cambodia. Effective date is 3 July 2000. Tax coverage. This agreement shall apply to tax on income imposed on behalf of contracting states or location authorities in respective on the manner in which they are levied. There shall be regards as tax on income or tax imposed on total income or on elements of income, including tax on gains from the alienation of movable or immovable property and tax on wages or salaries. The expensing tax to which the agreement shall apply are in Indonesia the income tax, hereafter referred to as Indonesian tax. In Cambodia, tax of profit including withholding tax, minimum tax, addition profit tax on dividend distribution, and capital gains tax. Tax on salary. Nothing in this agreement shall prevent the application of the minimum tax. The agreement shall apply also to any identical or substantially similar tax on income which are imposed by acting correcting state after the date of signature of this agreement, in addition to or in place of the existing tax referred to in the article. President. For the purpose of the agreement, the term resident of a contracting state means any person who, under the law of that state, is liable to tax therein by result on his domicile, residence, place of incorporation, place on management, prefer place on business, or any other criterion or similar nature, and also includes that state and any local authority thereof, where by reason of the provision of paragraph 1 of this article, an individual in a resident of both collecting states then is status shall be determinant of follow. He shall be determined to be a resident or only of the state in which he has a permanent home available to him. If he has a permanent home available to him in both states, he shall be deemed to be a resident only of the state with which his personal and economic relations are closer. In the state in which he has his claim of vital interest cannot be determined, or if he has not a permanent home available to him in either state, he shall be deemed to be a resident only of the state in which he has an habitual abode. Permanent establishment. 1. For the purpose of this agreement, the term permanent establishment means a place of which business from which the business of an enterprise of a contracting state involved or practically carried on in the other contracting state. To the term permanent establishment including spatially a place of management, a branch, an office, a factory, a workshop, a warehouse, or premise used as well as outlet from or plantation and a mine on oil or gas well, a quarry or any other place of extraction or exploration or exploitation of natural resources include timer of forest products. Please, the term permanent establishment also encompasses a building site, a construction, assembly or quasi project, supervisor activities in connection therewith, or only if outside. The furnishing of service includes consultation service by an enterprise through employers or other personal engagement by the enterprise for some purpose. Dividend. Dividend paid by a company which is a resident of a contracting state or to a resident of the other contracting state might be taxed in the other state. However, such dividends might also be taxed in the contraction state of which the company paying the dividend in a resident and according to the law of that state. But what if the beneficial owner of the dividend is a resident of the other contraction state? The tax rate shall not exceed 10% of the gross amount. The term dividend as used in this article means income from debts or other rights not paying that come participating in profit as well as income from other corporate rights which is subject to the same taxation treatment as income from source by the law of the state of which the company making the distribution is a resident. The provision of paragraph 1 and 2 shall not apply if the beneficial owner the dividend, being a resident of a contracting state, careless on business in the other correcting state of which the company paying the dividend is a resident of a permanent establishment situated thereof or perform in the other state independent personal service from a place with situation there and the holding. Interest everything in a contracting state and paid to a resident of the other contracting state might be taxed in that other state. However, such interest may also be taxed in the correcting state in which is unless in according to the law of that state. But if the beneficial owner of the interest is a resident of the other contracting state, the tax shall not exceed 10% of the gross amount of the interest. The term interest as used in this article means income from that sum of every kind, whether or not purchased by mortgage, and whether or not carrying a right to participate in the debtor profit and impartial income from government sector and income from both double income, including premium and price attaching in to such securities. The provisions of paragraph 1 and 2 shall not apply if the beneficial owner of the interest being a resident of a controlling state carries on business in the correction state in which the interest has caused a permanent establishing situation therein on performing in that other state independent personal service from a placing by situation therein, and the debt comes in respect of which the interest is paid in effectively connected with a such permanent establishment or fixing based on which a business activity referred to under of paragraph 1 of Article 7 in such case provisions of Article 7 and Article 5 and the cap may be shall apply. In the result, we deem it to us in a contracting state when the client is a resident of the state where however that person paying the interest. Royalties arising in a contracting state and paid to a resident of the other contracting state